Meet Mr. and Mrs. Jones, proud homeowners of this lovely house.
A few weeks ago, we were dealing with a plumbing emergency.
They needed an experienced and insured plumber who would charge a fair price.
I spent all day searching online, reading reviews and trying to find the best reputable plumber until I stumbled upon Expert Home Services.
Within an hour, a friendly and experienced technician arrived at their doorstep. He quickly diagnosed the problem and set about solving it. Mr. and Mrs. Jones were impressed with the technician's professionalism and expertise.
It is the best plumbing company we have ever used.
Oh, they are very clean and experienced. We will definitely recommend them to our friends and family.